How to fix Facebook like comments are not showing. Hello everybody. If you're having that issue, you may follow some steps. So first thing is checking your internet connection because slow or unstable internet connection can cause delays or interruptions. So ensure that, and then go ahead and update your Facebook app. So go over to Play Store, and then once you are there, go to the search bar and go ahead and type in Facebook in the search bar. Type in that. After that, go ahead and update your app to the latest version. Apart from that, you may try clearing the cache of the app. So go ahead and long press on Facebook and then go to the info section at the top. And then once you reach over the info section, scroll down, go to storage. After that, go ahead and clear cache and also data if necessary. Another thing is Facebook may automatically hide comments if it detects inappropriate language or behavior. So check your moderation settings to make sure they aren't overly restrictive. If none of those steps work, you can reach out to Facebook support and they might be able to identify a specific issue with your account or the live stream, and that should help you fix the issue. So that's it for now. You can follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.